look at the bright side of everything. Hello friends, Namaskar. My name is Suresh Srimali. Welcome to our channel Astro Numero with Srimali. I hope you are doing well. Today I will tell you about the effect of Sun transiting in Capricorn zodiac. Firstly, I would like to tell you more about Sun. Sun is the center of extreme power and all the planets revolve around him due to his huge gravitational force. Sun is the Lord and Almighty. In our solar system, all the planets revolve around the Sun in a separate orbit. Sun gives light and life. All the planets depend on the Sun for energy. He is the most powerful of all the planets in our solar system. All the energies on the earth are fueled by the rays of the Sun. Due to this power, he is considered as king of father of our solar system. Transition of the Sun in Capricorn will occur on 14th of January and will remain till 12th of February. In Vedic astrology, Sun ruled our confidence, courage, enthusiasm, relationship with father, bones problems, or like calcium or vitamin D3 in our human body. Transiting of the Sun in Capricorn will occur on 14th of January to 12th of February. Will this Sun transit fulfill all your wishes? How will the transit affect your business, love life, married life, or relationship? How can the transit bring changes in your life? Searching for the answer to all your questions, watch this video to get all your answers. Firstly, let me tell you about the Aries. During this time, you will get success in task. Employed people may get a higher post or promotion. Paths will open for the benefit of money from the government sector, private sector. Your health will also be very good. You are advised to take proper care of your diet. During this time, you will get a chance to meet your friends, family, and respected people of the society. Your child will also contribute to your business. Remedy for you is keep a square piece of silver in your wallet. Let's move on to Taurus. Health of any of your family member may be weak. There may be some kind of decrease in your income, so spend accordingly. You may also plan long distance trip with your family or friends. You may get transferred. It will be beneficial for you. Students are advised to pay attention to their studies to get successful in exams. Remedy for you is donate food to needy people or in old age homes. Let's move on to Gemini. Some of your old secrets can come out in front of your family or partner. If you have acted against any law in the past, you can also be punished by the government. Physical illness such as cough may bother you. You may get into hot discussion with your partner. To avoid this, you are advised to pay more attention to little things. People involved in research will get good result because of their hard work and dedication. If you are work during this time, you will have to work harder to avoid getting into trouble. Remedy for you is light a camphor lamp daily in the evening. Let's talk about Cancer. There may be problems in your married life and your partner's health may also suffer. Your smart investment and planning will save you from any money related problem. Apart from this, there is a possibility of differences with your family and friends. During this time, there will be a possibility of traveling. You may face some stomach related problems, so you should take good care of your diet. If you are doing business in partnership, then you may earn good profit. Remedy for you is drink lemon water on an empty stomach every morning. Let's talk about Leo. Students who preparing for competitive exams for government job may get success. You will dominate your opponents at the workplace because of your smartness. You will get promotion opportunities in the job, but for that, you will also have to work hard and prove yourself. Paying less attention to your health can make you fall ill. Those who are associated with the field of politics will get good results. There are chances of unmarried people getting married. Remedy for you is wear cream color clothes on Sunday. Let's talk about Virgo. Students may get distracted from their goal, so stay focused and avoid doing unnecessary things. You may face some kind of trouble from your friends. If you want to go abroad for the purpose of education or get admission in any foreign universities, then you can get success. You may earn profit from foreign contacts or through multinational business. You may face some issues at the office that can affect your work. This time will be full of ups and downs for your love life, family life, and relationship. Remedy for you is keep salt-free fast on Friday. Let's talk about Libra. There will be some peace in your family life, love life, and relationship. You may earn good money from property rentals or any of your past investments. You are advised to take care of your health. Any chronic disease or any illness can cause you trouble. So do not ignore any health related problems at all. During this time, you may plan a small trip with your family or friends. Student, artists, and players may get success in their field of work. Remedy for you is on Friday, give white food or clothes to the needy person. Let's talk about Scorpio. You may get health benefit because of your health diet and good routine. You may get proper result of your efforts at your workplace. You may face some health issues if you stress more about your work. You will be praised in your office for your continuous hard work. You may get benefit and happiness through your children. Your colleagues will not give you the expected support, so be aware of them. You will benefit from your short distance trips. And if you are a business person, then these trips will prove to be very beneficial for you. Remedy for you is avoid taking gifts from other or anything for free. Let's talk about Sagittarius. Control on your words to avoid getting into unnecessary trouble at your workplace. There may be a debate in your family about something, so listen to them carefully. There is a possibility of head and eye pain, so avoid working in dim lights. Please take care of good food while eating and avoid eating more oily food. If you are unmarried, then you may get marriage proposals. Remedy for you is plant 11 saplings in a religious place. Let's talk about Capricorn. You are advised to take care of your health because you may face stomach related disease or skin, fever, etc. Your mental stress may increase due to increased workload. You have to be strong to face tough situations. Students may get distracted by other things, so stay focused. This time is favorable for money related investments. You will also focus on worships God. You may face some challenges in your married life. Remedy for you is gift cosmetic products to women or especially needy women. Let's talk about Aquarius. You may go somewhere else, maybe abroad, for business, and you will get work with pleasure. Your health is likely to be weak, so take special care of your diet. There will be a possibility of unexpected increase in your expenses, so spend accordingly. You may earn good profit in foreign trade and your foreign contracts will increase. Remedy for you is wear black or dark colored clothes on Tuesday. Let's talk about Pisces. In this period, different type of benefits will open for you. Senior officers will be on your side, and this will give you special economic and social benefits. You will get the support of your elder siblings and fulfill your ambitions and desire. Private and government employees may be very happy due to the increase in the salary. Work stuck from old times will be completed. Victory will be achieved over enemies, and through dispute, wealth will be seen. You may get an opportunity to meet respected people of the society who will inspire you to move forward in life. Remedy for you is feed the stray dogs on Monday and Tuesday. However, this is a just generalized forecast. If you have any personal or professional problem and would like a personalized session, please feel free to contact us via telephonic or video conferencing appointment. You can also WhatsApp us on given number or drop your queries in the comment box. At the end of this video, I wish this transit bring luck, love, health and prosperity to your life. Thanks for watching us. Namaskar, take care, bye bye.